Hi, and welcome to the Red Dragon Sports Network alongside Andre McNeese. I'm Robert Gum, and we're here from Corey Gymnasium as the Cortland Red Dragons are set to face the Potsdam Bears in a SUNYAC Conference matchup. Lindsey Miner, a little trouble with the pass there. Chapko, Brooke DeMarco in the corner. Finds Ray Frazier wide open. She'll try a little jump shot. She'll get the roll to go. Veronica Sapp is 5'9". She's trying to guard Ray Frazier. Ray Frazier has the height advantage. Chapko able to get that reverse layup to go, and just like that, it's 8-0 Cortland. Into the game for Potsdam is Patty Dorgler. We haven't seen her yet today. And Carly Reynolds will try to a three-point attempt, and that's good. She comes in. Potsdam down by 10. Cross-court pass to Patty Dorgler is good. That's inside to Ray Frazier, trying to get things going on offense is Cortland. Chapko looking inside for Frazier. Can't seem to get open. Dumas drives. She'll kiss it off the glass for two.
Nice move by Dumas. Even though contested, she made the shot.
So Bailey Weigel loses the ball there. And Brooke DeMarco able to put it in for 2 points. And again, in the win, Birch Plattsburgh. So nice drive there from Patty Dorgler. And Megan Driscoll will try the wide open three from the top of the key. It's Seeger on the wing. She'll pass to Wolstenholme. Danielle Levine finds a wide open Rando who will try the three-point attempt, and that's good. Carrie McHugh running the floor for Cortland. Passes to Rando. She'll try a three. And that three will go from Bailey Weigel. Weigel putting a move on Brooke DeMarco. Cross-court pass to Patty Dorgler. Carly Reynolds shoots. That's good. Carrie McHugh on the wing for Cortland. Carrie McHugh's pass is tipped there by Carly Reynolds, and Chapko nearly was able to come up with it, but Carly Reynolds, nice job getting the steal there and going. Weigel passes to Katie Lavoie, who will drive on Dumas. Nice move there. Ray Frazier blocks it. Says, not in my house. Passes to Brooke DeMarco. Lindsey Miner finds Shannon White. Wolstenholme in the corner. Ray Frazier, nice job finding Aaron Wolstenholme driving baseline. Shannon White will hit the three. Nice pass there from Shannon White to find Wolstenholme cutting on the inbounds play.
Because they were in a man-man, and that should never happen.
So 15 seconds on the shot clock here for Potsdam. Colleen McNamara will hit the three from the corner. Cross-court pass to Brittany Dumas. She'll find DeMarco at the top of the key. Miner to Dumas. Dumas puts a move on Katie Lavoie. Looks inside to find a wide open Ray Frazier, who puts it off the glass. Colleen McNamara. Wolstenholme turns, drives, kicks to Rando in the corner. She'll try a three. That's good. In 30. Rando will try the long three, and that's good. Brittany Rando has been on fire from three today. Rando passes inside to Danielle Levine to Sarah Seeger, back outside to McHugh. She'll try the three, and that's good. Carly Reynolds drives on Shannon White. Carly Reynolds will try the long three, and that'll go. Almost half of the Bears' points coming from one player, and that's Carly Reynolds. Shannon White passes to Rando, who looks to continue her hot streak, and she does. So Rando 5 of 6 from downtown in this one. Bailey Weigel. Veronica Sapp at the corner, guarded by Wolstenholme, will have the cross-court pass to Carly Reynolds. Kicks to Colleen McNamara, who will hit the three. If Rando can match her opponent here. She's guarded by Colleen McNamara. Cross-court pass finds Shannon White inside to Aaron Wolstenholme. Wolstenholme does a good job of creating space and gets that up and under, layup to go. Wolstenholme to Rando. Rando will try another three, and that's good. So Rando's 6th-3 of the game. Rando will try, and why not? Her 7th 3 on the night. Makes it 21 points for Brittany Rando. She's got the hot hand. As Shannon White will dribble this one out for the Cortland victory. The final score will be 88-53 as Cortland wins a dominant game here at Corey Gymnasium. For all of us here at the Red Dragon Sports Network, I'm Robert Gom.
I'm Andre Bickneys.
And we'll see you next time.